We're back. He's there. I don't have to go looking for him. Do you know, I got one of those moments there where I pressed the trigger. We're going to call the trigger, okay?
Right.
The trigger is going to be the button, the test squad. I pulled the trigger and I was like, what are we even doing? Anyway, all I know is David's here looking at it. He's looking at the fire. He said, will you light the fire there? Oh, it's hard to see it with the reflection of Craig's car in the background. Anyway, David.
Darren.
Right, I'm gonna, first of all, okay? So, we're throwing this video, not throwing it again, we're doing a little video of the cars, okay? Because we are.
Because we are.
Right? But, our video that was meant to go before this, we have to hold off because there's a few little special things that we need to add into it. Right? And you'll see it in the next one, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to get into this little video here now. I'm going to start off, okay? We're going to start off, okay, with my view, okay? Next clip is going to be my view, okay, yeah? Well, maybe bar your car being here, yeah? I'm coming out of my back door in the mornings, right? Will I go this way, David? Oh no, I'll go that way.
Oh, well, you're going to come to the gardener's door, aren't you?
Oh, shit. Now. It's like, wow. There's a man on my roof, hey? It's like walking out to a bloody car show every time I walk in my front door.
The X5M usually sitting off somewhere there, where my car is.
Well, she's out there from there, yeah. Hey. So she is, manky dirty. But David, we're getting ready for park and chill. That's what we're doing, isn't it?
We are. Cars at the castle. It is cars in the castle, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Yeah.
And this is a week before the show, okay? So normally we have our preps for whatever show it is, okay? There's nothing to do.
I do.
What do you do?
The back of my car is actually dirty.
You clean the back of your car.
Wash it, yeah.
Well, in the previous not in the previous. Sorry, because we're all over the place because we can't show something until right. Yeah. So we showed the wheels in our previous video, but it's not the previous. It's the next one.
The next one, yeah.
So anyway, here's Craig's SP5s, yeah.
Yeah.
And holy sweet Jesus.
You cursed the last time you showed them.
Yeah, I did.
I'm very proud of you now for that curse.
I'm after calming down. Okay, since we showed the 335 with our new aluminiums on it, right?
SP3s, SP5s.
SP5s, yeah. So we've Strom Customs. What are these? These are Workmeisters.
Workmeister M1s.
Yours are the SSRs, yeah? And on one of our other cars there, we have the Desmonds. Huh? But I don't really know what more to say, but all I know is that I'm buzzing for the weekend.
That'll be a good weekend.
Yes, definitely. Right? Yeah, there's a few more shows to come, but they would definitely be UK based.
Yeah.
You know, so we'll be doing a few road trips, David.
Yeah.
We have our big one at the end of the year, Poland. I can't wait for that.
Are we driving over that?
No, we're not driving over that, yeah. And we're definitely not hiring a luxury supercar, hey.
No, we're going to be hiring a Porsche.
Like last time, huh?
I think an Aventador or something like that, maybe.
Yeah, feck it, yeah. But David, next clip. Let's have a look. Craig's in America this time right now, yeah?
He's in Canada.
He's in Canada, sorry all you American guys. He's over there with the LZ tour, yeah?
Yeah.
Right?
Living the dream.
Living the dream, right? The car's in the yard here. So they would be rude, yeah? Not to maybe do a little walk around the bar, yeah?
Yeah.
And maybe we'll start off by popping his hood, man. Oh, you pop her, Dave.
Pop the shot, there's no point you can do that.
She has these little guys here. Jesus, I'm starting to
What are you talking American?
I'm down Canadian now. Look at this, hey.
That's a fine setup now, isn't it?
That is a fine setup there, right there now. Holy jeez, Dave. Do you know what? It's credit to him.
No, it actually is. And the fact he done like a lot of this himself as well.
Yeah. Look at even that down. There's no wires. Where's all the wires run? Hey?
That is a good question actually.
Craig. Oh, I found wires, hey. The wires are under there.
Underneath the rack.
Jeez, that's tidy there, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it is.
David.
Extremely well done.
I'm just going to stand back here and everything, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to put a picture in right now, okay? Of her. People have seen it damaged. We'll just put a picture in there because actually, I have a picture I'm going to send you. Hey, it's actually very similar to Craig holding his bond up.
Oh, yeah. Now it's like this. Yeah. But then like before it was like that.
Like that, yeah.
And now you can smile again, you know, because it's done.
That was a sad day. What else he got done, Dave? He has the bags, no? He has the Airlift Performance. Big shout out to Airlift Performance there, Dave. It's looking to set for his own yoke.
Yeah. Yeah.
And just anyone that wants to forward us on to them, hey, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. What else we got? We have another car. Oh, the Beetle. Two Beetles.
The second Beetle's going to be on them as well.
Yeah. That's full.
Something else as well.
That's 6 cars.
Yeah, there is 6 cars.
6 cars on air. And all we're looking for is a discount on David's. You know, so David can be part of the Drag Your Arse gang.
And then, like, you know, if we're going down that road, then maybe BC will get in touch as well. And we might get us at the coilovers for the early performance bags that they're going to sponsor us.
If anyone else is on there looking, you know.
It seems foolproof, doesn't it? You know, sometimes money is hard got. And I want to bag my car, but I can't afford it, you know, so.
But there's one good thing about us, David, hey, we're really good at spending it. Anyway, right, what's next? Right, so he has the air, okay? Yeah. He has, Ryan Martin done all the work. Oh, that door doesn't open, doesn't it? Oh, you have to open it from the inside.
It doesn't even open from the inside. Ryan Martin, yeah, he's done all the engine work. There's the SPGs, isn't it?
What's an SPG, David?
Ricardo's, as you call them.
Oh, yeah.
The Ricardo's.
Here's the seats in it, yeah.
Cage, S15 dash and clocks.
Give me a look around there. Oh, yeah, he put the dash on it, the S15 dash. David, do you know what? In fairness, do you know what? He has her. He nearly has her, doesn't he?
He's almost there. Even his link, the gauge, you know.
Yeah, you were playing with that earlier on.
I was having a little fiddle at it.
This is
fiddling the buttons.
There's still a man on my roof, David. Oh, yeah. What else? What's at the back here now? Okay.
Twin shooters.
Twin shooters. Huh?
VRT.
Look at her. Huh? There's a fella in here the other day and he was looking at David, right?
Yeah.
And not knowing much about cars, and like this car was parked in there, and he says to me, he goes, "Geez, that's he walked by those two, yeah." And he looks at this and goes, "That's something else." And I said, "What year do you think it is?" He doesn't know much about old cars and like that. He says, "Thought it was 2010, 2011." Do you know what I mean? It was just Japanese magic. I said, "Look at the range of it. 24 years old."
It's crazy, isn't it?
Madness it is. You know what I mean? And but David, that's all I can say about Craig's car. It's a credit to him. Yeah. I hope he's enjoying his holidays.
He probably is. I'd imagine he is.
Yeah.
Is he sharing a room with Josh and all?
It's a Josh, yeah.
So like,
and the Gary Dunn.
Yes.
But anyway, David, this isn't a big long video.
No.
But it's a walk around the Craig's car. It's all we can put out because the one we were working on, we can't until next week.
Yeah.
And that is going to be a good one. Something new is on the way, okay? I'm going to hold your thought there. We'll be back in 2 seconds. The phone's ringing here. I need to answer, okay? David.
Sir.
Come out.
Where's your bed?
Oh, it's on the counter there. Oh, look at David's out coming out of the closet. Huh? Hey. We're doing a bit of home renovation here, so I just have to out here for a minute. David, on another note, before we're going to wrap things up, I have 2 more things to discuss. Right. I want to show something at the back of me R8 over there, right? Something that's, means a lot to you and me. And we put a picture of a certain person in there in a minute because, because we're family people, yeah? But here we go, right? There is our banners, yeah? Right? Which are on our shop at the minute.
Yeah.
And thanks to the people who are being purchasing us off. Purchasing us an office.
Purchasing stuff, yeah. There's actually been a good few orders going out.
Yeah.
Which is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
And for anyone that hasn't heard me saying it in every previous video, I'll put a link to the shop in the description.
Yeah.
Because I'm starting to get tongue-tied when I'm saying it.
Tongue-tied. There's our most recent trophy, okay? I got that for the Porsche. You got one for the S15. Craig got one for the PS. Right? There's a picture. How many years ago was that picture taken now?
It's probably 4 or 5, isn't it?
4 or 5 years ago. And it's still sitting over there. Huh? Not a bother on it, okay? Right. Anyway. Hold on there. I don't know if we showed as well. I'm going to show my little topless model here, yeah? Look at that. Fast camera. What date's on that, David? Oh, look, it's November 2020. And look at topless model. There's the Craig lad. Look at little topless model sitting out in the car.
4 years ago. Actually, that would have been the same day as that.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
You got the 2 shoots done.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Very good. Right, David, last clip and then we're going to do the video. Right, follow me outside. Right, David.
Aaron.
About a year ago, yeah, we were gifted these things, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's your one?
Still out my back garden. Not planted yet.
Is it not planted? Okay. Well, here's my one, okay? Oh, look at this little bad boy. That's my little apple tree, huh? Our nanny gave us that. Show a picture of her in there now.
Joe, I might even put a clip of her in from the last video she was in.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Can we do a little interview?
Yeah.
We're wondering. We wanted to ask to ask you how your day was out in the grass car.
Oh, very nice.
Was it, yeah?
Went very well.
And would you recommend it to your friends?
Oh, I would, yes.
What was your favourite part of it?
Go and see my friends.
Ah, good stuff, good stuff. And you know now you're going to be famous on YouTube. Are you alright with that?
Yes.
Right, that's alright. Once we have your consent. We have Nana's consent for YouTube. She's doing a little dance and everything. Jesus, you wouldn't think that she's as old as she is. Jeez. Now.
I go to walk then and I'd fall over.
Well, hopefully you don't. Right, anyway, Nana, say goodbye to YouTube.
Goodbye.
Now say goodbye, YouTube.
Goodbye.
What a clip for in David's right, yeah?
Yeah.
You brought it off in a little smart car. If anyone wonders what smart car is, it's the car that's on the roof of one of the sheds. Like.
I'll put the link to the video in here somewhere if I can find it.
Yes, okay, right. You will find out, I know you will.
I probably will.
We'll definitely get one of those video clips over it, yeah?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Right, anyway, there, before we finish this, yeah, let's go back around to the yard, yeah? Our sister, she's arriving. All our splitters have come in for a car. Let's get them on for her.
Lovely.
David, did you just say I'm not going to be careful?
You're never careful.
You call me Mr. Careful.
No, you don't. They call you flute.
No, you're a flute. Here, there's two cars running there we can't show. Huh?
This is... Oh. I'm going to push one of them out.
Yeah?
Yeah, because...
No, you're not going to push one now.
No.
Look at this. It is 20 to 4 on a Saturday evening, okay? And we're about to start fitting the kit onto this bad boy behind you, right?
I'm going to be finished this by far.
Abby, walk into this clip, please. This is our little sister, Abby.
Hi everyone.
YouTube, this is Abby.
Tell us a bit about yourself, Abby.
I'd rather not.
Yeah, Abby, you're probably better off, yeah? But anyway, this is Abby's baby, so we're going to pimp it out, as we call it, yeah? You might even get one of those little, the little short pulls that you used to... That at the end of it, you've been pimped.
No, you're not a little sister, you can't say that.
Hold on, look at it again.
Sounds wrong.
Yeah, well look at it, well, you have been modified. Here's the kit here. There's the kit. There's the tools. There's David. Get cracking. Jesus, I only went to the pound shop. The pound shop get myself a few little bits and pieces, little treats, and you're flat out here.
Flat to the mat.
On task he is. Huh?
Can you tell?
Flat out. You know what time is it now? Oh, she's 4:05.
You know the freebie.
He's on the big money now, he is. Alright, Abby. On the big bucks. This is going to cost you a fortune, eh?
I'm going to retire after this.
It cost me $2.
$2.
Paint.
Oh, there's always something with David, huh?
I didn't know that was the deal. You have to do all my doors, actually.
I'll agree to 2 doors and 2 archways.
Ooh.
Oh, jeez, what's
Oh, yeah.
What's the Lamborghini bit?
The bits off the Lamborghini. I don't think they're needed anymore, eh? Oh, will they be, David?
Oh!
Oh.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh. Anyway, right, that's enough of that. Spoiler next. Jesus, which way you're going, eh? Is you ready to give it a little tuggy?
Tuggy wuggy. I'm not fucking nails the bit under here.
Oh, jeez. So, this is a trick of the trade from David. I have to go on this, right? So, David peels a little bit off in the corner here, yeah? And then he gets, so that piece there is kind of stuck, yeah? Right? And then you get this and you go, whoosh. Well, really slowly as you're pushing down. Would I be correct in saying that?
That is very correct, Aaron.
Okay, so there you go now. David, would you ever hurry up? Hey.
I'm going as quick as I can. That little fecker keeps on going back in on me.
So, you're going to give this a little... So you're pulling and pushing it as we speak, yeah?
Yeah.
Who taught you this?
Do you know what, actually?
Huh.
Rick did.
Rick?
Yeah.
AKA Richard. Yeah?
AKA Batman.
Rick likes to hang upside down sometimes. If anyone okay on here, okay, right? If everyone that knows Rick, okay, knows his Instagram, would everyone go on to his Instagram there, right, and ask him why he hangs upside down sometimes?
Oh, please do.
Do it.
I'll put his Instagram down in the corner. Please, everyone that watches it, text Rick. Just simple. Rick, why do you hang upside down from the rafters?
And we want Rick to come in here one day and go, here lads, why is everyone asking me why do I hang upside down? It's a little trick. It's an exercise he does. We won't say any more about that. Okay? Anyway, David, come on, get this done. What's left after this? Diffuser.
Diffuser, yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll come back to you when you're on the diffuser, right? And then we get this video wrapped up, okay? Because David,
Darren.
We're running out of time here.
What time is it?
It's 4:15. Jesus. You're going into triple time now very soon. Well.
Done.
Maxton, you have created a beautiful little car. David, are you happy with the progress on it, or what you've done?
I'm delighted.
It's looking really well, actually. I'm a dark there. Maybe when you know. There you go. Abby, just want to ask you your opinion. How do you find your car? How do you think she looks?
I think it looks lovely.
Yeah.
I'm really grateful for my two brothers.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I would recommend 888
Yeah. Very good.
to
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah. That's good.
Like, share, subscribe.
Okay. You look
Yeah,
like you rehearsed that. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Very great. Out.
Thanks,
Out.
Abby. Anyway, it's the end of the video, okay, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Abby. Thanks for your business.
Thanks, guys.
Do you know what I might
Thanks for
do?
your business, huh?
Do you know what I might do for this one?
What?
I might, our mother actually, we might put her as the end, as a like, share, subscribe.
Oi.
Because I just have a funny clip in my phone that I might just put in as the like, share and subscribe.
Okay. Well, it's up to you,
might-
David, okay? Am
But-
I in that same clip?
No, it might be. I might crop it out, I'll see. But just in case I don't, if I look at it and things like, geez, I better not put that in. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Oh my god, I'm getting all nervous.